Hey guys, today we're talking about the Jetboil Genesis base camp system. Now this thing is the world's first base camp cook system that will totally change the way you cook in the backcountry. It's truly incredible. I'm going to show you what it's all about. So the Genesis base camp system is basically a super fast and efficient 2-burner cook stove that comes with a 5-liter pot and a 10-inch frying pan. It all nests together in a compact package and weighs just 9 pounds. Everything works together to create the perfect system for fueling a demanding group during big adventures. So first let's talk about the Genesis stove itself. Now it's incredibly powerful with two 10,000 BTU burners, and it'll boil a liter of water in just over 3 minutes. But it's also incredibly efficient. In fact, one of these 1-pound propane bottles will let you boil 48 liters of water. Now on top of that, it has Jetboil's unbeatable simmer control thanks to their patented regulator valve technology. And here's how that works. Most stoves go from closed to fully wide open with just 1 turn of the valve here, but with Jetboil you get 4 full turns. That means you have almost infinite fuel flow adjustability and consistent heat output from a light simmer all the way to a rolling boil. So you can cook perfectly golden brown French toast for breakfast in the morning and then rapidly boil water for fettuccine at night, all on the same stove. Now each burner has a super reliable lever igniter for easy lighting, and the whole stove folds together for really easy storage. It's also JetLink compatible. So JetLink basically allows you to connect the Genesis to other stoves and accessories without the need for extra regulators and fuel sources. So all you do is connect a JetLink hose to the JetLink output on the Genesis, and then connect that same hose to the fuel input on the other stove, and you're good to go. So here we've got the Genesis hooked up to a half-gen, and off of the half-gen we've got a Luna burner. So you can daisy chain a bunch of stoves and accessories together and create the ultimate camp kitchen that'll feed your entire crew before you head out for the day. The Genesis base camp system comes with a 5-liter flux pot and a 10-inch frying pan for eco-friendly non-stick cooking. So the 5-liter pot comes with Jetboil's flux ring technology, which you can see right here, and that just helps out a ton with fuel efficiency and even heating. Now, they also have insulated handles for easy carrying, and the pot lid has an integrated strainer. Now the whole thing is designed so that the stove itself fits right into the pot, and then the frying pan fits on top of everything to create a nice compact package, and then the whole system fits right in this great carry bag, which has a separate padded compartment for the fuel regulator and padded walls so nothing gets beat up. So with the Genesis base camp system, you're really getting the ultimate camp kitchen in a bag. And thanks to JetLink, you can expand that kitchen depending upon how many people you've got in your group. Everything you see here nests together neatly and is super portable, but more importantly, you're getting an incredibly powerful and versatile cook system that's perfect for fueling your group before a big adventure.
When your stove takes up less space, you have way more room for fun. Adventure should be about the experience, not fighting with bulky gear. The Kodiak camp stove from Camp Chef is small enough to pack anywhere, but powerful enough to cook anything. That means you have less time setting up and more time having fun. Matchless ignition means that you get a reliable flame instantly, with no lighters, no matches, just a simple turn, press, and you're cooking. With two 10,000 BTU burners, you get serious cooking power. That's more power than the average home stove. Sear breakfast on one side while heating coffee on the other in a nice, small, portable package. And when the wind picks up, no problem. The built-in windscreen keeps your flame steady so that you can have perfect cooked meals every single time. You don't have to struggle to keep the flame going, just pure, plain, reliable heat, no matter where you are. The Kodiak has smart storage, meaning that everything has its place. The built-in regulator compartment keeps your setup clean, secure, and rattle-free for when you're on the road. And with the built-in carry handle, you can transport this thing anywhere. Having more space means you have more freedom. You have more time for adventure and more time to enjoy the moment. The Kodiak compact camp stove has big power and a small footprint, because when your stove takes up less space, you have way more room for fun. See more at campchef.com.
These StanSport single and double burner cast iron stoves are constructed from durable powder-coated cast iron and feature corrosion-resistant brass valves for accurate temperature adjustments. The burner outputs are a massive 30,000 BTUs for the 2-burner stove and 15,000 BTUs for the single burner stove. To operate, attach one end of the propane hose to the brass valve port on the stove and the other to a bulk propane tank. While holding a long match or lighter over the outer edge of the burner, turn the regulator on in a counterclockwise direction slowly until the burner lights. Once lit, adjust the flame to the desired height. We've designed a built-in air-fuel mixture screw that can be adjusted to assure you are getting the proper mixture of air and propane to the burner. A proper flame should be blue at the base with a slight yellow tip. These stoves are ideal for cooking meals at the campsite, tailgating, backyards, and more.